Hey folks, Russ Scala here. I want to bring some really interesting research that we put together on the coronavirus and what are some of the preventative measures we can take. A little backstory. I remember way back when I was a paramedic, I worked as a paramedic for like 20 years. And during the wintertime in Winter Park, Florida, we would respond to elderly folks and people with, as you can see, some of the comorbidities on here. And a lot of people during my 20-year time of responding to emergency calls, they would die of the flu. And that kind of always stayed with me as I was thinking about developing a new program for what we're trying to do to put up an immune shield for us, because there's so much confusion out there. So as a paramedic, I saw people dying of the flu that had a really low immune surveillance. And as you can see by the chart here, obesity, Crohn's disease, cancer, autoimmune, heart disease, COPD, diabetes, all lower our immune surveillance. So that was in the back of my head when I was designing this program. Secondly, the other part that I had to develop, which was really scary for our patients, I'm the director of research and development for addiction center called Professional Treatment Centers. Our patients that are on, that were taking opiates or that were alcoholics or taking Suboxone or Methadone, they already have a low immune surveillance. So I had to hustle to make sure that our patients coming through the door were safe. And our doctors and our team here in Winter Park, Florida, have put together a treatment protocol that we kind of distribute, around the United States for people to maintain their immune function. One of the things that we look at when we do some advanced testing is we look at the antioxidant levels in the body. Our internal antioxidant system, catalase, superoxide, dyspionase, and glutathione, are supported by our external antioxidants, ACE and selenium. So we test people that have a low immune system and see, number one, if we could elevate their antioxidant level. Secondly, we understand that low carb and a tight blood sugar control, which we use a ketone monitor for this, a really tight blood sugar control will prevent the inflammation response in the body. So people that have a really high blood sugar with diabetes or heart disease, or they're obese, they're in a pro-inflammatory response, folks. And this is something that you could bring to your doctor, because I want to create a therapeutic relationship around the United States, because there's so much confusion out there about taking the vaccine, on treatment protocols, hydroxychloroquine. What I can tell you is everybody is biochemically unique, and we've got to meet the patients where they are. The treatment for somebody at our facility that's 60 is different than somebody that's 24, because the younger you are, your nutrition, your hormone levels, even your microbiome is functioning at a high level. Let me explain that. You are not what you eat, you are what you absorb. Every day we need about 22 minerals, 13 vitamins, 8 amino acids, and 2 essential fats. If your intestinal tract is not pulling that out of food, you're going to mine that from your own muscle, bone, and heart tissue, and it's going to lower your immune surveillance. So you are not what you eat, you are what you absorb. So the intestinal tract and the microbiome is very important moving forward. I wanted to get information from infectious disease specialists, people that are familiar with immunity and the microbiome, nutrition and immunity, and hormonal replacement therapy. If you focus on those areas and you do your research at home, you'll be able to see and understand some of the areas you could focus on with your family to keep their immune system up. So I don't want to confuse anybody. Like I said, we have this program in Winter Park, Florida. We distribute testing all over the United States. I do phone consults at no cost for folks. So if you like what we're saying here, please share this. Understand the comorbidities here, folks. They lower your immune surveillance. And think about what we're going to do moving forward to keep a shield up for people. Go to the Russ Scala YouTube channel, see Scala Precision Health and my book, American Biohacker. And thanks for watching and sharing this.
The time is now for you to take control of your health. Everybody and every body has a story. Let us find out yours today.